The structuring assignment. The destructuring assignment syntax is a JavaScript expression that makes it possible to unpack values from arrays or properties from objects into distinct variables. So here they give us an example. We have the let declaration and we have the variables a, b, and rest. We put a semicolon here, so we are not assigning it to a number, to a string, to anything. We just end up here with a semicolon. But to the next line, to the line number 2, we open brackets and we have the variable a, comma, the variable b, and it's gonna be assigned to this array of numbers 10 and 20. So pretty much the variable a is gonna be assigned to the number 10 and the variable b is gonna be assigned to the number 20. We end up with a semicolon, and now we cancel that log, the variable a, that has been declared with the let declaration, and the expected output is gonna be 10. Now if we cancel that log, the variable b, the expected output is gonna be 20, since a is gonna be assigned the number 10 and b is gonna be assigned the number 20. So right now if we go and press here run it, you see that the output is 10 and 20 respectively. Now we open brackets here and we have the variable a, b, but also we have the variable rest. So we have it's gonna be assigned to this array of numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. But here the variables a, comma, b has been assigned to the numbers 10 and 20, which means that the variable rest is gonna be assigned to the numbers in the array 30, 40, and 50. So now if we cancel that log, the variable rest, we're gonna have the expected result as 30, 40, and 50. So if we go below here, we press run it, and we're gonna have the array 30, 40, and 50. And we can also check out this example in our DevTools. So you just go to any tab and press Ctrl+Shift+I and paste it, and now we can press enter here, and there you have it. We're gonna cancel that log for the variable a, we're gonna get 10. Cancel that log for the variable b, we're gonna get 20. And now cancel that log for the variable rest, we're gonna get this array of numbers that is gonna be 30, 40, and 50. And there you have it here. So now we have the syntax, and I'll talk about the syntax later. I'm gonna show you, okay, the description. The object and array literal expressions provide an easy way to create ad hoc packages of data. So here we have the constant declaration name x that is going to be assigned to this array of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The destructuring assignment uses similar syntax, but on the left hand side of the assignment to define what values to unpack from the source variable. So here we have that the constant declaration, we have this variable name x, and it's going to be assigned to this array of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is a constant. Now we are destructuring an array. This is an array, so we are destructuring an array, and to do that we use the const declaration. Now we open brackets, and now we're gonna type in the constants y comma z, and we are gonna deconstruct it from the constant x. So pretty much the value of the constant y is gonna be 1, and the value of the constant z is gonna be 2. Now if we have more constants, let's say v, that would be assigned the number 3, another constant w, that would be assigned the number 4, and another constant p that would be assigned the number 5. But right now we cancel that log, the constant y, and the result is going to be 1 because it's being assigned to the number 1. And these are constant, not variables that can be changed. So here we have the constant that log. Here we're gonna cancel that log, the constant z, and the result has to be the number 2, because here we destructure the constants y and z, and we destructure it from the constant x that has been assigned to this array of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you can see, here are 5 elements, and we have here 2 constants. So similarly, you can destructure objects on the left hand side of the assignment. And by the way, here we can check it out in the Chrome Developer Tools. So we go here, we clean it up with Ctrl L, or just press this button. Press cancel.log y, we're gonna get 1, and now we press cancel.log z, and we're gonna get 2. And yeah, if you wanna add another constant, let's say constant w, the result of here we're gonna type in cancel.log, and it's gonna be the constant w. So the result is gonna be 1, 2, 3, and there you have it. So again, similarly, you can destructure objects on the left hand side of the assignment. And here we have this example. We have the constant name object, obj, short for object, that is gonna be assigned this object with 2 key value pairs. So a colon 1 and b colon 2, where a is gonna be the key and 1 is gonna be the value. Here b is gonna be the key and 2 is gonna be the value. So now we're gonna destructure this object, and we use the const declaration. Now we use curly braces, and we're gonna use the keys a and b. So it's gonna be a comma b, and we are destructuring from the constant object. So now this is equivalent to saying the constant name a is assigned to the object that a, and the value, the result is going to get us 1 because this is the value of the key a. The value of the key b is going to be 2. So here, if we have the constant name b and it's assigned to the object that b, the result has to be 2. And we can grab this example. We go to our DevTools and we paste it. If I press enter, we get undefined because we are not calling the keys. For example, if I want to call the key a, we're gonna get the result of 1. Okay, so with the same thing, if we want to call the key b, we're gonna get the result of 2. And there you have it. So it's pretty much to saying constant a is assigned to object that a, and constant b is assigned to the object that b. Yeah, this capability is similar to features present in languages such as Perl and Python. So these were those examples, and now we're gonna go to the syntax. So the syntax is gonna be, you use const, and now you use brackets. Inside of the brackets you type a comma b, and then you assign it to the array, semicolon. Then you have the const, again you use brackets, a comma b, and then you assign it to array. Another one, you have const, and then you open brackets. A is assigned to a default comma b, and then again you assign it to an array. And these are the different examples that you can use. This would be for an array. Now for an object, we have the const. We open curly braces, a comma b, and then we assign it to the object. We put semicolon. We have the second one, the const. You open curly braces, and then you have key value pairs. So the key is gonna be a, and the value is gonna be a1. Here the key is gonna be b, and the value is gonna be b1. So these are two key value pairs. We close the curly braces and we assign it to an object, and then you have some more examples here. Now we also use the let. We not just only use the const declaration, now we also use the let. So here we have let a, b, a1, b1, c, d, rest, pop, push, semicolon. And now here we use brackets. We don't use the let or const here. We just we go with brackets, and inside of the brackets we have these variables a, b, and then we assign it to the array. Again, you open the brackets, you have a is assigned to a default comma b, and then you assign it to an array. And now here you have you open parentheses, and inside of the parentheses you open curly braces, and you have the variables a, b. We close the curly braces, and then we assign it to the object. Again, in the next example, we open the parentheses, we open the curly braces, and then we have key value pairs a colon a1 comma b colon b1, where a is the key and a1 is the value, where b is the key and b1 is the value. We close curly braces, and then we assign it to the object, obj for short.